welcome. I'm Moritz from LUMO Motorworld. Today I'd like to introduce you to our partner Motul Evo in specific, the machine that does a 95% complete transmission flush. The great products Motul has to offer, from the daily run-of-the-mill to the race car or the Ferrari. I'd like to take you through, walk step by step, and tell you what we've got to offer. Everything for the car you care for. Products that I especially like would be the gear oils, gear LS. It contains the ester oil, you know, great for lubrication. It works. It's something different compared to the normal one. If I go from the additives, we've got engine clean, we've got hydraulic lifter, we've got diesel system clean, fuel system clean, we've got RBF 600, we've got RBF 660. That's more for the race car, or shall we say the more hard-driven Audi R8, track days, non-track days, you know, our Ferraris. But then we also got our normal 5.1s for the everyday drive car. If we go down, we've got great coolants from G13 to G11, Optimal Ultra. We've got their great oils, which is the Racing Spec 300V motor oils, any grade from a 530 to a 020, anything that you'd need. If we look at the more different things, or the day-to-day workshop use, would be the tech grease, the intake cleaner, things that doesn't come so commonly, that you'd more see in a workshop environment. So from my side, Motul, great product, and we support them, and I think they are a notch above the rest. Thank you.